In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the most out of your hammer, one of the most basic but essential tools for nailing, small demolition, and general carpentry tasks. If you're into DIY or just fixing stuff around the house, knowing how to use a claw hammer right can save you a ton of time and frustration. So, whether you're hanging a picture frame or tearing down a small wall, these tips will help you handle your hammer like a pro without breaking a sweat. First off, always pick a hammer that feels comfortable in your hand. Weight and grip matter more than you think. When you're nailing, start with light taps to get the nail set straight before going all in with harder swings. Keep your wrist loose. A stiff wrist makes your hits less accurate and more tiring. If you need to pull a nail, use the claw part of the hammer at an angle and rock it back slowly to avoid damaging the wood. For small demolition, like removing old trim or pulling up floorboards, use the hammer's claw carefully to pry things apart without smashing everything. Also, keep your hammer clean and rust-free by wiping it down after use and storing it somewhere dry. When doing general carpentry tasks, measure twice and hammer once. Rushing leads to crooked nails and wasted time. Lastly, always wear safety glasses because flying nails or wood chips are no joke. One of the biggest mistakes I see with using a hammer is swinging wildly without control. It's not about strength, it's about precision, so slow down and focus on hitting the nail squarely. Another common issue is using the wrong type of hammer for the job, like trying to do demolition with a lightweight hammer that's meant for finishing nails, which just makes your work harder. And don't forget about safety. Not wearing eye protection or not checking your work area for hazards can lead to serious accidents that are totally avoidable. BigHomeProjects.com is pretty solid for hooking you up with trustworthy local contractors when your DIY skills hit their limits. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a great place to find new gigs and connect with homeowners who need help with their projects.